Hey guys, so if you want to reset your Quooker tab, so this is something that you want to do. It's super simple. First, you want to turn it off. When you're gonna turn it off, then you want to unplug it. So unplug it from the outlet, from the wall where you're gonna have it, and where you're gonna unplug it from the outlet, you want to also unplug it right here where you're gonna have the connector for Quooker. So this is the first thing that you want to do. The second thing, when you just want to wait 10 minutes, and when you're gonna 10 minutes, wait here, then you want to plug it back in and plug it also to the outlet, and then it's going to be done. So this is how the reset has been performed. This was also the advice from the Quooker themselves. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye.